This is Code.org, and we are working on our handy dandy song app, playlist app. That's what I wanted to say. We have these user stories, like always, there in the words of the customer, how a customer might want to interact with our item. That being said, let's take a look at what we're doing. Make the artist and song names at the value of index display on the screen. Show me where. Ooh, pop up. Okay, guys, first off, make sure you did the previous bubble of this lesson. Otherwise, you're not going to have this content. I picked index 3. There is not a right or wrong answer. If you pick 10, if you pick 47, whatever. Well, 47 might be too far. Nope, it's top 50. Anyways, pick what you want. All right, so let's see what we're going to do. Use set text list to display the information that is stored. Yep. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of this milestone. And now, where are we going to want to display this? This song label element. Now notice I'm not in run mode. If I hover over here, it will show me the idea of stuff. Song label right here. See how it says ID song label? And I can even go to design and click on this. Song label is the item that we are going to want to use or to tell the computer that's where we want to display the song. So I'm going to head over to UI controls and do set text. Bloop. And now I'm going to click on this teeny little triangle-y arrow thing. And by that I just mean triangle. And what did I just say? It is song label. Boom. And it's easier to use their selection option. If you do want to type it, that's fine, guys. Just make sure you got these quotes perfect and you have the underscore. Okay, so that's what we want to set. Set the text of song label. Now, what do we want to set it to? Well, we want to set it to an item in our list. What list? Our songs list. I'm headed over to variables. I'm just going to grab this guy and drop it there. And again, if you're doing it in text, that's fine. Just make sure you delete the quotes around this because it needs to be songs. And then the index. They want us to use the index variable we have. So, kapow. Okay. Let me go ahead and hit run and see if this is working thus far. It is. Bam. So it can't show the whole song, but we can see that it is working. Great. And now we want to do the same for artist. So right here under this, I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to head over to UI, set text, and just to double check, what's the ID of this? Yep, it's artist label. And then same deal here, because we want the song and the artist to match, right? We want it to be at the same point in each list. So we're going to use the same index. And the index value. Tyler the creator, this is looking good. And we can just double check. Oh, no, we can't. They are already designed. Okay. That looks good. Test your code with the values in data mode, except y'all hit data mode. So we're not going to compare that right now. But as long as you have these indexes the same, you are good to go. Onward.